Today, a MotiveWave user asked if there was a way to change the color of a moving average based on its slope. For example, making a moving average colored green with a positive slope, red when negative, and yellow when roughly flat. Here is one approach to at least shading lines dependent on their slope. So if you look at this SMI down here, let's click on the SMI and go into its properties. And you can see that this is an SMI. We're using white and blue. You can see that at the top it's faint, and the deeper it goes, the lower it goes, the brighter it gets. And that's the same with the red one here. It's brightest at the bottom, and as it's approaching a change in slope, it decreases in intensity. So you go into the editing properties here of your SMI line, and you're using a gradient as opposed to solid. Play around with higher, lower as well. I mean, I've never done that. But your top color and your bottom color, and then check that you want an automatic gradient. Play around without the automatic gradient and change the gradient center. But here's where you're going to find your ability to play around with moving intensity of a line with changing slope. Now what the user was asking is if he can use 3 different colors. Green for positive, red for negative, and yellow when roughly flat. Initially I would say no, but I would go and I would play around in this area to see what's possible.